and welcome to Mrs. D's Baking TV. So, you wonder why I'm acting so weird? Because today is a different type of video. But first, before I start, you have to promise me that you will not judge me when I show you what I'm going to show you. If you've watched my channel before, you know I love Nielsen Massey Vanilla. I love it. I love it. So I'm about to reveal something to you. No, I'm not. Okay, yes, I am. Yes, I am. Okay, I'm going to show you. But you can't judge me. You can't judge me. Here is my collection. My beautiful collection of Nielsen Massey Vanilla. Guys, don't judge me. You can't see from that vantage point. Let me bring you closer. Let me bring you, come closer. Come. Okay, now that you've come closer, now that you can see. It goes all the way back to the back, guys. Let me show you some. I'm not even gonna count them. I'm not gonna count them. But let me tell you a little bit about Nielsen Massey. It's an American company in Illinois. Didn't know that, but you know I love doing research. So I found out that it's a family-run company in Illinois. That's right, it's over 100 years old. My son, Nathan, introduced me to Nielsen Massey Vanilla I would say maybe about 10 years ago, maybe less than that, I don't know. But my son introduced me to Nielsen Massey Vanilla and I just fell in love with it. Fell in love with it so much so every time I go to a grocery store, wherever it's sold, I'm always looking to see if it's on sale. And if it's on sale, I buy it. Let's talk a little bit about my collection. I say collection, but a collection is, I would say, a group of things that you're not going to use. But I am going to use every last bottle. That's my plan. That's why I've got a baking channel. So I've got almond, lemon, Madagascar vanilla, pure vanilla, vanilla bean, Mexican vanilla, vanilla powder, all different types. Now, what I do in my cabinet, I place my vanillas according to the expiration date. So my extracts in the front are ones that have, 2026. So I've got a little time, but I've got to use all these by that expiration date. And let's see, this one, also 2026. I've even got a coffee. Let's see, what's the expiration? Oh, September 24. We've got to find a recipe to use this one. That's the pure coffee extract. But I love Nielsen Massey because there are no artificial ingredients. The difference between an extract and a flavoring is a flavoring has artificial flavors. An extract is extracted from the actual bean, whether it be almond or vanilla or lemon. Now let's talk a little bit about price. Now some of these I paid full price for, but like I said, I've even found the Nielsen Massey Vanilla at a home goods store on sale. I think it was probably about $10, and I was like, okay, these people must be crazy. And it's the actual product. I need your help. Here are 3 extracts that I need to use. So I would like you to comment below on how I can use, can you see that? Find me a recipe that I can use this one because the expiration date on this one, 2025. I paid only $10 for this one. I got this one on sale at Sur La Table. So comment below on how I can use this one. And this one is the pure peppermint extract. I use this one during the Christmas holidays, but I need to go ahead and use this one because this one will be out of date soon. Now it says Best Buy. It's a natural ingredient, so I don't think that it will expire. I'll have to look that up. But comment below if you know what I can continue to use this peppermint extract for. Now, while I'm telling all my business, I want to give you some more advice. What I do, like I said, I make sure that all of my products with an early expiration date are in front. But I don't just do that with my extracts. I also do that with my spices. As a matter of fact, I mentioned to a friend, my friend Candace, that I had a hard time finding whole nutmeg, and she found some for me. So I've got a while before I use this one, but let's say this one was about to expire in about a year or so. I would go ahead and find every recipe I could to use this because I don't like throwing quality things away. So check the expiration date on your spices, your extracts, everything, now that it's a new year. So to make sure that you're not wasting money, use those things that are in your pantry. Now, that's enough about what's in Mrs. D's spice cabinet. It wouldn't be Mrs. D's Baking TV if I didn't show you a recipe. So I'm going to show you a quick, easy recipe to make vanilla sugar. You can use this in coffee, tea, recipes. It's so easy. So follow along as I show you this quick recipe on how to make vanilla sugar. To make your vanilla bean paste, you'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar and, of course, the star of the show, vanilla beans. I purchased these vanilla beans from my local Costco. It came in a pack of 2, and I believe it was under $20. You'll need a jar to place your final product with a lid that you can put on tightly. You'll need a whisk, a knife, and a spoon. There's an explosion of vanilla smell when you, oh my goodness, that smells delicious. You are going to take your vanilla bean and split it down the center, exposing all of the beautiful vanilla beans. Because I don't want to lose any of those beautiful vanilla beans, I'm going to place this on top of this parchment paper. And next, we're going to take a spoon and remove all of our vanilla beans. And we are going to place our vanilla beans into our 2 cups of granulated sugar. Let's scrape that one more time to make sure that we've gotten all of the little tiny beans out of the pod. And we add that to our bowl of sugar and mix thoroughly. Continue mixing until all of the vanilla beans are well incorporated. Now, you could place this into a blender to mix, but I did not want my sugar to turn into confectionery sugar, so I decided to use a simple whisk. Once you've mixed it all together, place your vanilla bean pod into your container, because over time, your sugar will continue to absorb all of that beautiful vanilla aroma and flavor. And there you have it, vanilla sugar, to be added to coffee, tea, any recipe you choose. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel today, where we talked about my little friends, my Nosa Maxi Vanilla. This video is not sponsored. I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about things that I enjoy using and how to encourage you to use what you have and check your expiration date. Don't forget, make some vanilla sugar and comment below if you've made it before and how you've used it in different recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today on Mrs. D's Baking TV. Remember, most of all, be blessed, bake with your family. Bye.